Get past AI hiring filters and fix the mistakes they scan for. Your resume isn't being rejected. It's being disqualified. Not by HR, not by an algorithm, but by a silent risk judgment that happens before anyone argues for you. And once that judgment is made, the interview is already over. There's a moment in the AI hiring process where your application becomes unrecoverable. No edits, no explanations, no second look. In the previous video, we covered the first 5 blockers in the AI hiring process. In this video, I'll show what triggers disqualification and why candidates never see it coming. Let us get down to it. These are the 5 resume mistakes that quietly disqualify AI candidates before a human ever advocates for them. They don't signal inexperience, they signal unsafe thinking. And in real organizations, unsafe thinking is the fastest way to get filtered out. Mistake number 6, generic job descriptions wrapped in AI buzzwords. Phrases like used AI to enhance business processes or leveraged machine learning for insights sound impressive, but they don't say anything. They hide the problem, the data, the constraints, and the outcome. AI reviewers are looking for mechanics, not magic. Fix: replace vague language with specifics. Name the data you worked with, the model type, the scale, and the constraint you were operating under. For example, training a classifier on 1.5 million support tickets with latency constraints under 200 milliseconds. Precision signals, competence. Mistake number 7, no data provenance or quality awareness. When a resume mentions models but never mentions data sources, cleanliness, bias, or drift, reviewers assume the candidate never owned the risk. In AI systems, data is not a footnote. It is the system. Strong candidates document where data came from, how it was screened, what bias was discovered, and how drift was monitored over time. Mistake number 8, overclaiming autonomy. Statements like AI makes decisions or fully autonomous systems are red flags. Real organizations don't remove humans from high-risk decisions. They design systems that support, guide, and escalate. Fix: position AI as augmentation. Show how models surface probabilities, assist reviews, reduce cognitive load, and road edge cases to humans, while people retain accountability. Mistake number 9, no failure, rollback, or safeguard language. Resumes that only describe success feel unrealistic and unsafe. Every production system fails somewhere. Reviewers want to see monitoring, thresholds, fallbacks, and recovery paths. Mention how errors were detected, such as triggering an automatic rollback when error rates exceeded a 3% threshold, how incidents were handled, and when humans intervened. This signals operational maturity. Mistake number 10, writing for ATS instead of AI reviewers. Keyword-stuffed tool lists and dense buzzwords don't signal expertise. They signal optimization without judgment. AI reviewers want to know why a tool was chosen, what alternatives were rejected, and what trade-offs were made. Write for engineers, auditors, and product leads, not scanners. Explain decisions, constraints, evaluation, and risk. Together, these 5 mistakes form a pattern. They replace judgment with noise. The fix is not more keywords. The fix is clearer thinking, better signal, and honest structure. When your resume shows how you reason about risk, data, failure, and decisions, it stops being marketing. It becomes evidence. This is the difference between sounding knowledgeable and being trusted. AI hiring is less about tools and more about responsibility. When reviewers see clear thinking, they see someone they can rely on in production environments. If your resume reads like a system design summary instead of an advertisement, it stands out immediately. The goal is not perfection. The goal is credibility. Show how you think, how you decide, and how you protect systems when things go wrong. That is what real AI work looks like, and that is what matters most. In the next episode, we'll break down the 10 most common mistakes candidates make in AI interviews, and why they trigger the same risk signals. Aegis AI Lab. Structure beat hype every time. Stay tuned.